Okay, this is going to be how-to video on how to install the 6637 air filter, Napa Wix air filter onto an OBS Ford F350 Power Stroke 7.3. This is for this isn't for the F350 only, it'll work on the 250s too, but it's for the 7.3 old body style Fords. So what you'll need is just your flathead screwdriver, and then what you also need is the filter, of course, and then a nice elbow piece. This is a 45-degree PVC pipe that I just painted black so it matches the whole look of the intake tubes and whatnot. So that's what you need. And how this comes off is there'll be a bolt right here. Some's already gone. Pull that off. And then these two bolts come out. Once you got those bolts out, you'll just pop that guy off. She'll come up. There's also a hose clamp right here you gotta loosen up. Just rip her out of there. Yeah, so the best way to do this is just pull straight up on these guys and they'll pop out of their shoes. There's one over here, but before ripping this side out, there's a little connector you gotta unconnect. And once you pull that guy out, you just let it dangle around. Once you got that old air box out, you can hose clamp that piece of PVC on, and then just throw it in there. Like that. And then I'll just have to tighten down the clamps and I'll come back and stuff. So yeah, that's it all bolted up. You might have to fiddle with what angle you want there with that piece of PVC, but at the end of the day it'll just sit in there like that. Also recommend getting a filter cover. Got one coming in the mail. But yeah, that's all you really need. I really recommend buying a can of spray paint and painting that up black so you don't got a white PVC tube poking out of your fucking intake. Looks stupid. So that's just my 2 cents. Hopefully it worked out for you guys. Take it easy.